and exfoliate your skin. Once you do this, then you're gonna add a little more to the skin like I'm showing here, and then you're gonna leave this on your skin to dry. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, facial mask. I like to use a facial mask on my skin, but not only that, I like a good facial mask that can double as a facial scrub. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share one of this recipe with you. This is a mask that I personally like to use on my skin because it normally leaves my skin looking really clear, fresh and bright. It also helps to tighten and firm the skin. I'm also using some hydrating ingredients in it that help to hydrate the skin, moisturize the skin, and leave the skin just younger, fresher, and radiant. So follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Now today I'm going to be using some baking soda, and what a lot of you might not be aware of is that baking soda will help to get rid of scars and blemishes on the skin. Baking soda is also good for shrinking large pores. It will help to get rid of the dead skin cells, get rid of the roughness from the skin, and when you use it on a regular mixed with other ingredients, it will have your skin looking soft, supple, and glowing in no time. So I'm gonna put my baking soda to the side and take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some rice, and this is white rice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 3 tablespoons of rice, pour this in a blender. We're gonna cover this, and I'm gonna blend the rice to a powder. Now once this is done, take a look. Here I have our blended rice, blend to a powder. You can also choose to use rice powder for this recipe. So now I have my baking soda and I also have the blended rice. We're putting this aside and take a look at our next ingredient. This is a fresh aloe vera. We're going to extract the gel. Aloe vera will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now I'm using about 2 ounces of the fresh aloe vera. So let's just extract our gel. I like to just cut both sides. And once this is done, I like to go in with my finger and just ease off the top layer of the aloe vera, and then I go back underneath, and you can choose to do the same thing, just ease it off, or you can choose to use a knife to just cut it out. This is an easy way to do it also. So just extract that aloe vera gel, make sure to get everything out. Nice and juicy aloe vera gel. So just extract, and here we have the fresh aloe vera gel. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to reach for some coconut oil. You can choose to use oil of choice, whether olive oil, almond oil, or even grapeseed oil if you have oily skin. And I'm adding a teaspoon of the coconut oil in the blender with the aloe vera gel. My next ingredient is some rose water, which will help to smooth the skin, hydrates the skin. 1 teaspoon of rose water. So in my blender, I have aloe vera gel, I have rose water, and I also have some coconut oil. And now we're gonna cover and we're gonna blend. And now here we have our aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and rose water. So now guys, I'm gonna reach back for my baking soda, and this is 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. Now what I'm gonna be doing is to make sure that I get rid of all the lumps from the baking soda. Just get rid of the lumps. Now once this is done, we're gonna reach for our rice. And we're using 1 tablespoon of our rice powder, mixing this with our baking soda. and we're gonna blend the two together. So we are blending rice and baking soda. So just mix well. Now here is an optional ingredient. Here I have some dried lemon peel. You can choose to use dried lemon peel or dried orange peel or some fresh lemon zest. You don't need a lot. All I'm using is a pinch of this in the recipe. Now lemon zest contains vitamin C, which will help to brighten the skin. So we're just going to blend well, and we're mixing rice. We are also mixing baking soda and some dried lemon zest. Now next we're going to reach for our aloe vera coconut mixture, and we're going to start out slow. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon. Let's make that 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera coconut oil rose water mixture, and then we're going to blend this in the rice. Ooh. So just keep blending. If you find that you put too much liquid, you can add a little bit more rice to this. Not baking soda, just a little bit more rice. And mine is a little creamy, so a tablespoon and a half would have been better. So I'm just going to reach back for some of the rice and pour this in. About another teaspoon of rice. Mix it in, and this is now perfect. So just blend and blend well. And here we have our skin brightening, tightening facial mask. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to reach for my container. And let's pour our mask in. Make sure to get everything out. Pour this in. And here it is, guys, our homemade baking soda facial mask. Now this facial mask can be used on the skin if you have acne prone skin. It's good for people with a lot of blackheads. It's good for oily skin. It's also good for people with large pores. It will help to shrink those large pores. And if you're looking for brighten the skin and get rid of dull, rough looking skin, this is going to get the job done. It's also going to help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation such as dark spots and blemishes. So let me go on the other side and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now to use this facial mask, I suggest that you start with clean skin. So you're going to wash your face the way you normally do, exfoliate if you have to, and then pat dry the skin, and now it's ready for the facial mask. Now I like to be generous with this facial mask, so I like to pour it in my hands like I'm showing here. Just pour it in your hands. And then I'm going to take it from my hands like this and apply it on my skin. All over the skin. And it do have a pleasant fragrance. Totally cover your skin with this mask. Do not let this get in your eyes. If you have a lot of large pores on your nose, apply it on your nose also. Give it a little scrubbing action. Now once this is done, you're going to let the mask sit on your face for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse this off with some cold water. And then you're going to pat dry the skin and apply your favorite beauty products. Now, this mask can be used at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. And you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. So go ahead, give this amazing facial mask a try. Now, guys, I have a little trick for you. If you're short on time and you have not exfoliated your skin for a while, when you're applying this mask to your skin, you can actually apply it in circular motion, and you're going to feel a bit of a granules in it. This is coming from the rice, so just use it and exfoliate your skin. Once you do this, then you're going to add a little more to the skin like I'm showing here, and then you're going to leave this on your skin to dry. This can basically do double duty on your skin. So I'm going to relax with mine for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse off. Result. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comments. I know those are going to be coming because of the ingredients that I use. So comment. And if this was the first time, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.